So, do you want to get it done quickly or do you want to get it done right?
Tong ina, gumaganong panggago. We want to get it right quickly and right. Right and quickly. Huwag ka na magpaganyan-ganyan. You need to done it right or you want to done it with quickly. Putang ina, parehas. Walang pagpipilian dun. Parehas. Yung mabilis at tama. Alam naman nating matagal lang batas dito sa Pilipinas. Pero madaliin nyo na. Putang ina, kasi hindi naman yan basta-basta eh. Ang laki ng nanakaw, trilyon. Tapos, you need to done it right or quickly. Okay ng inan to. May kinalaman ka kasi di umano dyan eh.
Quickly? Or do you want to get it done right? That's the choice that we have. So, I understand the frustration because we do have a very good...
Ay, nako. Nakakagigil ka, Marcos? Nakakagigil ka? Sarap mong sarap mo yakaping walang bitaw. Ay, yakapin yung walang bitaw. Nakakagigil.
About